I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Discord account. Deleting your Discord account is a permanent process, so it's important to make sure that you want to delete your account before you proceed. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. First, you need to open the Discord app. Once you're on the Discord app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon from the top right. A menu will appear. Click on the Account option. Scroll down to the bottom of the My Account page and click on the Delete Account button. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Enter your Discord password in the field provided. Once you've entered your password, click on the Delete Account button to confirm that you want to delete your account. Now you know how to delete your Discord account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.